Well, good evening. I'm so excited to bring Celsana to you all tonight. My name is Sheila Bogus, and I've been a part of Celsana Beauty and Health since it began. It's been about 2 years, and it has been a privilege, quite an experience, and a journey. And I have learned so much, and I've grown so much through this process. But I really want to share with you what Celsana has done for me and my husband and my family. Let me take care of that real quick. Hold on. Okay, I'm sorry. Celsana, our slogan is from nature through science to your skin. And I'm going to share with you exactly why that is. This gentleman is and his wife is Dr. Don Wayne Berry and Patty Berry. Dr. Berry is a retired thoracic heart surgeon from here in Texas, and he is the founder and CEO of Celsana Beauty and Health. Well, Dr. Berry, with all the support from his wife Patty, has spent over a decade of clinical research and development to bring this product to us and for us to be able to improve the health of our skin. And all of our products contain an extract from the Hemilia patent plant. It is an Amazon rainforest plant. It has been used through Dr. Berry's research. He has found that it has been used for decades, for centuries, really, for all types of skin issues, hundreds of years. The indigenous tribal people have used this plant for all types of skin issues, rashes, scrapes, burns, cuts, insect bites, snake bites. They make, but the way that this discovery was made was Dr. Berry and his wife Patty were building their retirement home about 12 to 13 years ago on the side of a mountain in Colorado. And Dr. Berry actually injured the back of his hand. Well, his neighbor brought him over some homemade salve to use on it, and she explained to him that her mother, her grandmother, and herself had used this homemade salve all of her life for all types of skin issues. And so she told him to apply it and cover it, and she believed it would really help him. And to his amazement, when he removed the bandage and what he saw and the improvement of his injury, he was amazed. He was so intrigued by what he saw. He knew that this was extraordinary. And so this is why he spent over a decade of research and development. Dr. Berry was not looking for a skincare product. I can promise you that. He's a retired thoracic heart surgeon. But when he saw what this plant did for his own skin and his own experience, he knew that he had to dig deeper and find out what this plant was really about. So he took this plant to Texas A&M. They did a 24-month study on the plant, and we own all the intellectual property on basically how to mimic the rainforest and do that in a greenhouse setting. We grow all of our own plants, and we own the intellectual property on how to grow, harvest, extract, and the extraction process brings us Cupio Rays, which is the botanical extract from the Hemilia patent plant. We have a usage patent on that extract. It goes into all of our finished formulations. No one else can get their hands on this extract, and we have a product that is absolutely incredible. These are our 5 products that we have. We have a day and night serum. All of our products, I'm sorry I didn't say this, all of our products are anti-aging. They're a natural product. But we have a day and night serum. These were our first products that we started with, the day and night serum, and that is for your face and neck. We have a cleanser, and that is also for your face and neck, and it's incredible, and it just gets your skin ready. It cleanses all your pores, and it gets your skin ready for the application of the serum, so that serum can really do and take care of your skin to its fullest potential. We have a color spot serum, which is for brown spots. It's a roller ball application. It is for brown spots, sunspots, age spots, whatever you want to call those spots, but that is specifically what it is formulated for. And then we have an incredible all-body anti-aging lotion. You use this once a day. I'll go through each product, but let me go ahead and move on to that. This is the day serum. It is an incredible serum. The way your skin feels after you put this on, you apply one pump to your face and one pump to your neck. And the way this product makes your skin feel is like nothing else you have ever used. I can promise you I've tried a lot of different products, and I've never had my skin feel the way that it does when using Celsana. This is our night serum. It's applied the same way, one pump on your face, one pump on your neck. And the day and night serum kind of go hand in hand. They work together. And so consistent use of the day and night serum, I promise you, you will see incredible results. And this is our cleanser. The cleanser is used just before you apply the serum. You want to cleanse your face and get your skin ready for the serum. And it is also for your face and neck. The color spot serum, you can apply this over the problem spots, the dark spots. And you can do this as many times a day as you want. Carry it in your pocket, you can carry it in your purse. You just apply it to that spot. You can apply it over your makeup. It does not interfere, but it's an incredible product. I've seen it do amazing things. And this is our anti-aging body lotion. Our anti-aging body lotion is not just anti-aging. It is anti-cellulite and firming body lotion. And it truly does firm your skin. I have seen a lot of people, including myself, with crepey skin on their arms, their chest area. This body lotion is the best body lotion I've ever used. It is absolutely incredible. And so this one it has a very light scent. It's a natural white tea scent. It is not strong, I promise. It's just a very light, pleasant, clean scent. And then we have an unscented body lotion. And these are our results. I'm pretty sure that Dan Johnson is on the phone tonight. I'm going to tell you part of his story, and then he can finish up. But Dan was one of our first, along with Jimmy, my husband, and I. Dan was one of our first people to use Celsana. And when we got started, when we launched this company. And Dan took the opportunity to come to Fort Worth. He met Dr. Berry, and along with Jimmy and I, we realized that Dr. Berry's heart was truly to help people. And so, Dan, could you just share with us what this product has done for you and what you experienced when you first started using the product?
Yeah, she'll be glad to. Well, the photograph there on the left, as you all can see, is obviously before Celsana. And my face is very rough from just years of the elements, and I was not very happy at all. I've been looking for something, thinking about trying to find something to help my face. Wasn't real hopeful, but like Sheila said, was able to hear about the product, saw how genuine Dr. Berry and Patty are. So, heard about Cupio Rays and saw how genuine that product was, and was able to purchase the finished formula that day. And I wanted to get the best results I could. I also wanted to test the product because I was a little skeptical. And so I followed Dr. Berry's prescribed usage faithfully. And 4 weeks, I took the before photo at 4 weeks. I have a photo, and you look at it, and I'm not sure if there's any improvement or not, maybe a tiny bit, but from the 4th to the 8th week, exponential, changed my face. It literally erased all these wrinkles and blemishes. The photo there you see is at 13 weeks, and it just gets better, better, and better all the time. I'm still amazed at my face today. I'm amazed at that photograph. And as our good friend Frankie coined the term, I'm a Celsanian forever.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Dan. We appreciate
Sure.
you.
Thanks.
And this is Ryan. Ryan is a young man. He's about 28, 29 years old. As you can see, he had an issue with breakouts. And this is him using the day and night serum for 6 weeks and his improvement. Ryan had tried his entire teenage years. He had tried, and into his 20s, all types of pharmaceutical, over the counter, been to lots of dermatologists with no improvement. So if that tells you anything, this is a 6-week improvement for Ryan, and he loves this product. And this is Jimmy. Jimmy, you can see Jimmy's large pores in his before picture, very large pores. Jimmy had very oily skin. This is my husband. He had very problematic oily skin and deep wrinkles forming, out like crow's feet, but his eyelids were droopy, and you may be able to see that his eyelids were very droopy, and it was getting in his vision. And this is his 8-week improvement picture. His eyelids are no longer in his vision. He no longer has oily skin. Those pores, look at the pore size and how reduced it is. His skin looks amazing. He's going to be 59 years old on his next birthday. And I can promise you, he does not look it. We have people tell him all the time that our son looks older than he does, and our son's 28. So if that tells you what this product does, it's amazing. And this is Cindy Colbreth. Cindy is a nurse, 30 plus years. She's been involved in a lot of wound care nursing, and Cindy actually has she actually was bitten by something in her flower bed, and it demolished her nail bed. And so she had tried everything. This was 2 months after the injury. She had tried everything that she knew to get out of her little arsenal of tricks that she knew of, and with no improvement. And she was starting to panic. It was getting close to a wedding date, and she was about to be married, and this was a very important finger. It was a ring finger, and her wedding ring finger. And so she asked Charlotte if she thought that Celsana, Charlotte McGrew, if she thought Celsana would help her fingernail. Well, we really didn't have a clue. So Cindy just tried it. She put a little dot on her fingernail, wrapped it with a Band-Aid every night, just did it at night with the day serum. And this is her 2-week improvement. And because of that, and because she knows, being a nurse, she knew that also, just like Dr. Berry, that this was something extraordinary. And so she knew she had to use it on her face. So she did. And you can see the 2-week improvement, how much healthier her skin is. She's on the call tonight. I'm not sure if she feels like talking tonight because she just had knee surgery, and but so that's why I'm sharing her story with you. But great improvement. She loves this product, and she will tell you herself she will be, as one of our consultants came up with the phrase Celsanian, she will be a Celsanian for life. And this is Al. And Al, as you can see, obviously he's had scarring from breakouts. He's had those scars for 40 plus years. He's about 58 years old. And this is an 8-week improvement on what the day and night serum has done for Al. Amazing. I've never seen a product do what this product can do for people's skin. And this is me. This is my 8-week improvement. I was really starting to see what I had done to myself and all the elements, the sun damage. Been in the sun, love being in the sun, in the pool. My husband and I go fishing all the time. I've done a lot of sun damage and wasn't liking what I was seeing at all. At all. And I was very consistent. I was very consistent every morning, every night using my skincare. But it wasn't Celsana. And I wasn't liking what I was seeing. And I tried Celsana. And in the first week, I felt the improvement on just the texture of my skin in the very first week. Well, just as time goes, at 4 weeks, I saw great improvement. And this is 8-week improvement. My skin tone is so even. I don't wear foundation anymore. I wear a little mascara. I wear a little bit of blush, and that's it. And I get compliments on my skin all the time. We have a phrase here at Celsana, it's called the Celsana glow, and it's because our skin is healthy again. Our skin has become healthy again. It's alive. And you can see that in a lot of these pictures. You can see how the skin is just healthier. This is Christy. This is her 5.5 week improvement. Just look at her eyes. Her eyes are incredible. Also, just so you know, she had lost about 35 pounds in this picture. And if you do realize when you lose weight, your skin loosens so much. And so she was really experiencing a lot of that. So she, as well as all of us, love this product. You have to try it. It's incredible. This is Gail. This is her 45-day improvement picture. Everything. The picture speaks for itself. The fine lines, the deep wrinkles, all around her mouth, her eyes, just her overall appearance. It's just lightened up. It's brighter. She looks happier. I mean, it's just a great improvement in her skin. And this is Frances. Frances, this is her 6-week improvement picture. Frances had large pores, very oily skin. She had breakouts on her chin. But not only that, Frances had some laser treatments done on her neck, under her chin area and her neck area. And they actually burned her. And it left scarring and dark discolorization. And you can see, obviously, 6-week improvement, how even her skin tone is. She no longer has that problem with oily skin. The large pores have reduced so much. And that breakout on her chin, look at that. I mean, that's incredible, incredible results. 6 weeks. And this is Charlotte McGrew. Charlotte is on the line with us tonight. And I would love for you, Charlotte, to share your experience with Celsana with us.
I'd be happy to. I hope you can hear me okay, Sheila. I think I'm having internet problems now, so I
You sound good.
apologize.
You sound good.
Great. So I like Dan and a few other people. I was a little skeptical at first. I had tried other products as well. You can see my picture, my before picture on the left. You obviously see the heaviness in my eyes, the wrinkles, the very deep wrinkles around my mouth, the frown line. Sheila calls them parentheses, which now I can see that. But I had very, very unhealthy sun-damaged skin. After I began using Celsana, I could immediately start seeing that my skin was already beginning to get healthy. And that's an 8-week improvement picture on the right. And you can see the difference in my skin tone, how my eyes look wider. The wrinkles under my eyes, they are not there anymore. My frown lines around my mouth have almost completely faded away. They're still there a bit, but not very much. I don't wear any makeup anymore. I don't wear any foundation. I do wear mascara and lipstick, but as far as any kind of face makeup, I don't have to. I have a beautiful glow to my skin. My skin is hydrated and healthy, and it's nourished. And you can see that in that picture, just in 8 weeks, what a difference it made. And then to the right, that's the results of the body lotion, the all body anti-aging lotion. And I had sun damage on my legs. I had the sunspots, I had the cellulite. That's a 10-day improvement picture of using that body lotion on my legs. And I was so impressed that I had to call Sheila and tell her, I cannot believe this. And I sent her that picture. That's incredible. So I am a Celsana for life. Cupio Rays is amazing, and I will never stop using or promoting this product.
Thank you, Charlotte. Your skin does look amazing. And your legs look great.
Thank you. Thank you.
And this is Sharon Wade. I believe Sharon's on the call with us. I know Sharon was skeptical. I know she was, but I know that she saw improvements from Charlotte McGrew, and Charlotte shared the product with her. So Sharon, can you just share a little bit with us about your testimony?
Yes, I sure can. And yes, as you said, Charlotte, she had that serum. She said, Sharon, I need you to try this on those dark spots, as you can see on the left. So she gave me a tube of the color spot serum, and so I started using that, and I saw the great improvement that I was getting. And so I started using the day and night serum, and my face is just like, it's just like coming to life. And I was like, wow, this is nice. And so my husband, one day he even thought I had on makeup, and I was like, no, this is what Celsana is doing. This is the work of Celsana. So, you know, I used the color spot serum to decrease those spots, and it really has, I can just see the the great improvement in my skin, and I'm just so glad Charlotte introduced me to that. And like everyone says, I'm going to be a Celsonian for life.
Awesome, Sharon. Thank you so much. I think if you ever start
Thank you.
using this, I think if you ever start using this product, you really, you don't want to run out, and you definitely want to use it forever, because it truly does. It's incredible. This is Carla, and this is a great example of how Celsana continues to improve your skin. It doesn't stop at 8 weeks. It continues. So Carla, let me tell you a little bit about her. I believe Carla was about 62 or 3 in this picture, and she's a heavy smoker. You can see the lines around her mouth. You can see her eye area, her neck area. An 8-week improvement. Now, Carla doesn't wear foundation ever. And so these photos are just cell phone photos. They're selfies, and we do the best we can with them. But these are real results. They're lasting results. Your skin truly does improve incredibly. And so this is one of our customers. This is her before picture on the left, and then her 10-day improvement. You can see how Celsana has already begun changing the appearance all around her eyes and her forehead area and between her eyes. And then her 3-week improvement. This product did this in 3 weeks. I encourage everyone, they should take care of the largest organ on their body, which is their skin. This is Karen Blair. Karen had a pretty large incision site from a skin cancer she had removed. She was very concerned about what kind of scar that was going to leave, and started using Celsana, and she used the day and night serum. And as you can see, at about 8 weeks, how much improved it was, and at 6 months, you can barely even see that site, and then the scar area, and now you cannot see that at all. And so she is thrilled to not have a big scar on her face. We all would be concerned about that. So that just is just another one of the great things about this product. And this is Carla. Carla used the body lotion, and on half of her body. She decided she was only going to use the body lotion on half of her body, because she wanted to be a walking, talking billboard for herself. And obviously, you can see it's incredible, the difference in those 2 arms. That lower forearm, it no longer is crepey like the other one, and 8 weeks improvement. So all of our products are paraben free. They have no propylene glycol. They are vegan. We have no animal derivatives in our products, and we absolutely do no testing on animals. And we truly do have a superior cosmeceutical formula. Well, our anti-aging study, this is really, this study backs up all those pictures that I just showed you. And then those pictures back up the study. I hope I said that right. But the grading was done by medical doctors. The study was done on 23 women over an 8-week period of time. And these percentages are absolutely incredible. The skin texture, 100% of those women saw improvement. And well, 100% of these women had improvement in their skin texture. And this grading was done by the medical doctors. Remember that. This is not the consumer's opinion of what they thought they saw. This is truly the grading that was done by these doctors. 87% improvement in their skin tone and their skin radiance and brightness. Evenness, 73.9% of those women saw improvement in their evenness of their skin tone. Poor appearance, 91.3%. Fine lines, 95 to 100% improvement. That's incredible. Deep wrinkles, 52 to 65% improvement. Took us a long time to get those deep wrinkles, and I believe with everything within me, but given just a little more time, those percentages would have been even greater. And you saw that in some of those pictures that I just showed you. The women, all these 23 women were asked to, if they could describe Celsana in one word, what would that be? And the majority of those women, they chose magical. And this may not be important to some people, but it's very important to me. This study was done by Stevens and Associates. And as you can read on this slide, they are very highly regarded by their recurring clients for how they conduct themselves with ethics and morals, and how they are very fair in their clinical studies. And they continue to stay in compliance, and they practice good clinical, they stay within the guidelines that they need to stay in and doing these studies. So I encourage you, challenge our products to 8 weeks. We offer an 8-week money-back guarantee. If for whatever reason you're not satisfied, all you have to do is return your bottles to our home office and you will receive a 100% refund. You really have nothing to lose here except for the appearance of those wrinkles and the uneven skin tone and the splotches and all those things. Lose those. Have healthy skin. And so with all those things, we have been given an opportunity. Dr. Berry has brought this to the table to offer us an opportunity. And I have a great announcement to make tonight. I hope that you're all ready to hear it. But I'm going to share with you just some different ways. And we actually have more ways than this to earn at this point. We need to change the slide. But we have retail customers, and we have true retail customer profits. We have preferred customers, and we have true preferred customer profits. We offer a strong start bonus, which encourages your sponsor to help you build your business. And then we have team commissions. This is really the backbone, the bread and butter of our commissions and marketing system. We have a success match bonus. Again, this is all about working as a team and being unified and working together to help you be successful. And then we have leadership and executive bonus pools, and then we have executive override bonuses. So getting started, if you're interested, and this is getting started with Celsana is very, very easy. You follow 4 simple steps to get yourself started and ensure that you are setting up your business properly. So all it takes is $36 a year for the enrollment fee to become a consultant with Celsana. Be sure and take that before picture. That's going to be one of your best marketing tools, is your before picture of yourself that you can show people and of what Celsana has done for your skin. Be a product of the products, because your belief in these products is all you have to do is talk to people about it. You don't have to sell anything. I'm not a salesman, but when people see a difference in my skin or they compliment me on my skin, my aunt told me about 2 weeks ago, she said, "Are you ever going to start aging?" And I said, "No, I'm not, because I use Celsana every single day." So we really strongly encourage you to set up auto ship. It's not a requirement. You do not have to be on auto ship, but we encourage it because you don't want to run out of product. It's a convenience. You don't have to worry about when you need to place your order. And so we strongly encourage that. So we have 4 types of income earners. And when I show you what I'm about to show you, and I just threw it together really quickly. So you're going to see how quickly you can earn income with Celsana. You can earn just enough to pay for your products. We've set up something so you can actually get free product. You can work this business as a part-time consultant and create a part-time income for yourself. You can be a full-time consultant and create a full-time income for yourself. It's very, very possible to do this, and we can help you. We have elite passive income earners. That basically means elite means those are going to be the top earners of this company, and any of you can be part of that elite. It just depends on what your why is. What is your why? Why do you want to create more income for yourself? Why do you want to help other people become financially stable? There's we want to help you, and we want you to help others. And so the strength of our consultants here at Celsana and what they can stand strong on is that they know that we have a very unique product. No one else can have or use Cupio Rays in any way, shape, or form topically. And then we are founded by a heart surgeon. And again, I can promise you, and he's on this call tonight, he was not looking for skincare. He wasn't, but it was put in his lap, and he can share that with you on how he feels about why it was put in front of him and why he experienced what he did with this product. We have a clinical study with a very high success rate. We have a compensation plan that is incredible. We have a very unique pedigree from Texas A&M. We own all the intellectual property, and we have a usage patent on that Cupio Rays. That's huge in this industry. It's a barrier to entry. No one can use it. And we have a very strong leadership system and support system. So reach out to whoever invited you on this call and let them help you get started with Celsana. So we have implemented something that we're calling a success track bonus. And it is implemented for all new consultants. And I want to explain it to you. It's a very lucrative, it's a very good way for you to create some quick income for yourself, and you can help others do the same thing. So this is offered to only brand new consultants with Celsana Beauty and Health. And you have access to this bonus for 60 days, your first 60 days. You can earn free product, and you can earn $300 plus. There's not a limit on that. But let me explain it to you. For every 2 new preferred customers you enroll in your first 60 days of being a part of Celsana Beauty and Health, and they place a qualifying order of $100 or more, we will send you free product worth at least $100. So you're going to earn as much free product as you want, because it doesn't just stop with 2 preferred customers. Every time you sign up 2 preferred customers, you're going to receive at least $100 worth of free product. That's incredible. And then that's not all. Every time you sign up a new consultant with a qualifying order, again, 100 CV or more, we're going to pay you a $50 extra $50 cash bonus. So if you enroll 2 qualifying consultants, then you're going to get $100. If you enroll 3, you get $150. So you can earn as many of those $50 bonuses in the first 60 days that you want. Again, there's no limit on that. Plus, in addition to that, for every 4th, when you sign up your 4th consultant, every 4th consultant, instead of you earning $50, you're going to earn $100. So every 4th consultant, you earn $100 extra on top of what our compensation plan already pays. So you can earn $300 total when you enroll 4 new qualifying consultants in your first 60 days. But remember, it's not tapped out at that. And so to celebrate all these new things with Celsana and our reboot or restart, whatever you would like to call it, with Celsana, we are allowing every existing and new consultant in Celsana Beauty and Health to participate in this bonus. So if you're an existing consultant as of July 31st, as of yesterday, you can participate in this Success Track bonus as a new consultant from August the 1st until September the 30th. Now that's incredible, guys. Those are incredible numbers. And I hope that you take advantage of these things. And really, right now, I want to open it up for anyone who may have any questions. If you have a question, if you can unmute yourself, and that way we don't pick up on all the background noise. But if you have any questions about any of our products, any of those things, if you want to think about it for a minute, I'd love for Dr. Berry to come on and share with us what what we were talking about earlier as far as why he feels that this product and this plant was put in front of him. So Dr. Berry, if you could join us just for a minute, and then we'll open it up for the questions. So be thinking about if you have any questions you would like to ask.
Well, thank you, Sheila. As y'all who are listening just heard, Sheila has quickly outlined the story of Celsana. It's a true story, and I can verify to you that every bit of that is totally true. And these folks who have realized this and participated in this, I think can speak in testimony that they feel like it's true too. This is not a put on or a sham at all. And we are creating a business in which there can be home business, which you can have a home-based business. We're redoing the website so that it is user-friendly. We're introducing and building what's called a university training program for distributors to teach them how to use social media, how to use the tools like videos, testimonials, use the marketing materials that we produce, the artwork, and help teach everyone the unique story behind these products. And we've got a lot more products to make that haven't even been announced. But we're very happy to help folks who wish to become a part of this incredible opportunity and to own their own business from a home perspective.
Dr. Berry, we've had lots of conversations, but one of our conversations that we had, we were talking about how you weren't looking for a skincare product. You weren't looking for anything except for you wanted to fish and play golf, right? So, so in your retired years, and so this was put in front of you, and I would love for you to share that and what you feel like, why you feel like God put this in front of you.
Well, Sheila is asking about the scenario that happened. This was in 2004 now, and it was totally by serendipity. It wasn't planned, didn't even have forethought of any of this. It just happened. And here on the side of that mountain, I was introduced to one of God's gifts to mankind, and that's a rainforest plant from the Amazon jungle that was brought legally into the United States in 1972 by an A&M professor, and is now one of Texas' top 10 landscape ornamentals. And you see it growing out there are 39 varieties of that plant. We studied it, we selected one variety, and then A&M culled that even more, and we selected one clone of that one variety. So this is a very highly selected plant that we have pedigree, which she mentioned. And the reason that this all happened, I believe, in my opinion, is that it was time to bring this plant and all of its benefits to help mankind. And I just happened to be the messenger. I had the education to understand it. I certainly had the interest and the ingenuity to take hold of this information. And I've had incredible help with God opening doors and closing other doors, helping send people to help along the way. And I have an incredible catalog of people who have provided benefit into the creation of it. We've also created a pharmaceutical company that now has 5 patents, USA patents from the patent office, issued in the name of the Berry Pharmaceutical Company. And we're soon going to be developing a fundraising program to head down the FDA traditional pathway for those. The first product for that is the cure for radiation dermatitis, which those of you who know much about medicine know that there is no such cure in American medicine today. This product cures things pharmaceutically through DNA repair, and that is unknown in American medicine, in topical plants. And God put that out there, put it into my lap, and said, here it is, go to it. So our first plan of action was to create a test area, and that was a cosmeceutical skincare company to test safety, to test efficacy, to test the use of this plant on a broad scale in the public setting. And that's what we're doing. That's what we have done. And that's what you see witnessed here now before you. So that's the story. And I want to tell you, I have met some great people along the way, and a lot of them are distributors here now in this company.
Thank you, Dr. Berry. We're proud to be a part of this with you, and I encourage you to please get with whoever invited you on this call. I can still leave it open for questions if anyone has any questions at all about the bonus structure, about our product, anything at all. I'm open for questions. So no one has a thing. Okay. Well, if you do, get with the person who invited you on this call. Call me. Contact our home office. Send an email to info@celsanabeauty.com. There's lots of different ways you can get in touch with us, so I encourage you to do that. Thank you so much. Thank you all so much for listening tonight and spending time with us. And I hope you all have a great evening, and I look forward to working with you. Good night.
Thank you, Sheila.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night, Sheila.
Good night.